city of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, yeah. It's move-in day and the sun literally just came up. We were up since like 6 a.m. though when it was pitch black out. We're moving with Roadway Moving and they're very punctual, so we just had to get up early to do some last minute packing. Now we're pretty much done with our part and just waiting for the movers to arrive. I'm so excited to be trying out Roadway because I have heard so many good reviews about them, and we are doing a full service pack. So they're gonna pack all of our cabinets, our clothes, our shoes. Honestly, the move this time was so much more stress-free because we didn't have to worry about packing everything so carefully, and they're gonna do it all for us. And I'm so excited for you guys to see the new apartment. I want to say so much about it, but I'd rather show you on video, so you guys will see it soon.
In a room full of dimes, you would be $100 if being fine was a crime. Boy, they like your fine ass up in the tower. The way you move like you do, ooh, it's like you do it for a living. Do a little spin, do it again. Shit, look like you're playing for the win. Oh baby, I'm trying to roll, I'm trying to ride, I'm trying to float, I'm trying to glide. No, don't.
Literally in the bathroom because we want to get out of the movers' way.
Feel useless.
Ooh, skate to me, baby. Skate, slide your way on over. Slide your way on over.
Welcome to the new apartment! Everything is just so bright right now. It was raining earlier, so I thought the view wasn't going to be great, but the sky cleared up and the view is amazing. Currently waiting for the movers to arrive, but let me give you guys an empty apartment tour. So as soon as you walk in, we have a beautiful corner window view. Honestly, this was a big part of what sold us to this unit. We have a clear view of the Empire State Building, One Vanderbilt, and even a glimpse of the Freedom Tower. Here's the kitchen. We have a nice open layout this time, and I'm in love with all of the appliances and finishings. Next to that is our mini hallway. We have a lot of closet space in this apartment. Here is a large coat closet, perfect for all of our coats and jackets. Another closet directly in front. I love how the ceilings are super high so we can really maximize the storage space. And then my favorite part, we have a washer dryer, and I'm so happy about this. Obviously a huge luxury to have in Manhattan. And then here's a bathroom. I love how spacious it is. We have a big shower stall, some cabinets, and a huge mirror. Lastly, our bedroom. It also has these corner windows. Once we set up our bed against the wall, we would wake up to a view of the Empire State, and that is just surreal to me. We also have 2 closets in the bedroom, which is definitely a perk. This one to the right is a smaller one, so Sung is gonna use it, and the one to the left is gonna be mine because it's bigger. You guys have only really seen me in my previous apartments because that's when I started YouTube, but I still remember when I was living at home, commuting all through college, and even when I started my job. I always wanted to dorm or get my own space, but I wasn't able to afford it back then. Even when I started my career, saving up as much as I can was my biggest priority. It's definitely a long way coming for both me and Sung, and I feel so lucky to have my lifelong partner who I can work towards the same goals with. Moving into this new apartment is definitely giving a wave of emotions, but I'm ready and so excited to start this new chapter in our lives.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in
So the movers just left and all of our stuff is here. This was the most easiest move ever. I didn't even have to lift a finger and they were just super efficient, so helpful, so friendly. They even disassembled and assembled the bed back to its original form. I remember back in our first apartment, we had to do that ourselves and Sung actually made the markings on the bed and they followed it exactly. And they also helped move all the furniture to where we wanted, unpacked all of the wardrobe boxes, so our closets are pretty full right now. There's the coat closet. Obviously we have a lot of unpacking to do, but they did all of the hard work today and I couldn't recommend them enough. Best moving experience I've ever had, and I absolutely dread moving, but definitely gonna go with roadway for my future moves. All right, now where to start?
Exceptional, it fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control.
Okay, so I just started unraveling some of these glasses and I am amazed at how well they packed everything. Like, look at all this. I'm very impressed and I'll be very surprised if anything broke in here. Service.
Ooh,
We got service.
they knew we moved.
I never get service from this place. Starving. In Korean tradition, you have to eat jjajangmyeon, which is black bean noodles, on your moving day.
High five.
So a little apartment update. We actually got pretty much settled in. We set up our couch. The TV we're actually gonna sell this weekend because it's way too big for our space. Hopefully the buyer doesn't flake. Set up our dining table, kitchen is pretty much set up. And let me show you guys the bedroom. It's pretty much the same layout as before, but the only thing that is very messy right now is this corner over here. It's mostly Sung stuff, but it's everything that we either need to sell, give away, or just throw out. But we just finished getting ready. We're actually going to an influencer event with Sunduk Beauty, and I was able to bring a +1, so I'm gonna bring Sung. Are you excited?
To get free skincare.
Hopefully they have some free stuff for us, but we're running a little late, so gotta call the Uber and head out.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna
ride work it in and work the little song.
I feel like we're the only ones eating. This is Bruce.
Hi, everybody.
I'm meeting everyone in real life today.
Congrats on your house.
Thank you. It's an apartment, but not a house.
It's a mansion.
Yeah, my penthouse. Sharon, OG of cleansing balm.
It has a grinder, and it looks like this. Oh my gosh, I think it's done. It's supposed to look like that.
This one's tough. Oh yeah. So we just got home, changed into our comfortable clothes. I wanted to unbox the PR package that we got. First PR package,
First PR package courtesy of
KG Group.
my wife.
Let's see what's inside. This is from Glossy Blossom. Stick on nails, Tubu sheet mask, cloud socks. Looks like these are basically no-show socks that makes it feel like you're walking on the cloud. This is plant-based, gluten-free, sugar-free, supposedly very good for your diet. Oh, this is sunscreen and lifting cream.
I need sunscreen.
Marine shake.
It looks like this.
Sama. I think it's good for when you're on a diet. Honey bubble pack by Sunduk. And the grand finale. This is the Sunduk cleansing balm, which is very famous. Excited to try all these goodies. Honestly, we didn't have dinner and we were super hungry when we got to the event, but I didn't want to pig out, so we have to eat something right now.
I'm starving.
Okay, so I'm about to hop in the shower, but I have to cleanse my face first. and I thought I would use one of the products I got today. It's about time I tried this because I've been seeing it everywhere and I really wanted to try it. And basically, a lot of the cleansing balms you have to like scoop. It gets a little bit messy, but this actually like grinds it for you. You basically turn it like this and the balm grinds by itself. When I massage the cleansing balm onto my face, I feel like a lot of the impurities just come out. See all the makeup melting off of my face. And while we're on the topic of Korean skincare, I actually received this in a PR package. This is the Meditherapy A-Clearing Active BHA Facial Gel Cleanser. And I've been really enjoying this. I feel like it really removes all the impurities and dirt off my face, and my skin has also been loving it. So I'm just gonna rinse the cleansing balm off and double cleanse with this foam. I was literally about to go to sleep because it's like 11 p.m. but we got really hungry.